Welcome to the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Made in Southwest Virginia podcast, where we aim to educate listeners on the many impacts of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. Today's episode is part of our ongoing series in which we deep dive into specific companies making worldwide impacts. We often hear there's nothing happening in Southwest Virginia. I've even felt that myself, but as I learned more about Southwest Virginia's manufacturers, I realized that couldn't be further from the truth. Contrary to some perceptions, Southwest Virginia is a hub of innovation and manufacturing, producing world-class products integral to people and companies around the globe. From automotive components to advanced electrical systems, our local manufacturers are driving technological advancements and economic growth on an international scale. Today, we're featuring Columbus McKinnon, a company located in Damascus, Virginia that produces high-quality lifting and motion control products used worldwide. They're not just building products, they're creating solutions that make industries safer, more efficient, and more reliable. They're not just building products, they're creating solutions that make industries safer, more efficient, and more reliable. Let's dive into what makes Columbus McKinnon such an important player in the world of lifting and motion control. Founded in 1875, this company has been at the forefront of industrial innovation for nearly 150 years. In fact, Columbus McKinnon was responsible for inventing the first alloy chain in 1933, a groundbreaking development that set the standard for strength and durability in industrial lifting. But how does that innovation affect you? Every time a bridge is built, a stadium is constructed, or even when lighting rigs are hoisted at a concert, Columbus McKinnon's products are there, making sure the job gets done safely and efficiently. Their contributions touch countless industries, from construction and manufacturing to shipping, transportation, and even the entertainment sector. The Columbus McKinnon facility in Damascus is more than just a manufacturing plant. It's a hub of precision engineering and craftsmanship. This is where some of the world's most reliable hoists, cranes, and rigging tools come to life. Their products are built to meet the toughest standards, ensuring safety and dependability in even the most demanding environments. Here's an example. Think of a massive construction site where heavy steel beams need to be lifted into place. It's not just about strength, it's about control, precision, and, most importantly, safety. Columbus McKinnon's advanced hoists and cranes are designed to perform these tasks flawlessly, providing operators with the confidence to handle heavy loads efficiently and securely. Behind every product is a team of skilled workers who bring dedication and expertise to their craft. The Damascus team is equipped with cutting-edge tools and follows rigorous quality control processes, ensuring that every piece of equipment leaving the facility meets the highest industry standards. Columbus McKinnon's influence goes far beyond the products themselves. They're shaping the future of material handling through innovation, sustainability, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Their forward-thinking approach doesn't just make lifting and motion control safer, it makes it smarter and more adaptable to the needs of a rapidly changing world. Whether it's the precision required to install solar panels, the heavy lifting needed to construct skyscrapers, or the seamless control required for entertainment rigs, Columbus McKinnon is an integral part of that process. And while their impact is global, it's worth celebrating the fact that it all begins right here in Damascus, Virginia. The work being done in this small town supports industries and communities far beyond our region, showcasing the incredible reach and importance of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. If you'd like to learn more about Columbus McKinnon and the incredible lifting and motion control products they make, check the show notes or visit their website at cmworks.com. That's cmworks.com. That's it for today's episode of Made in Southwest Virginia. Join us next time as we continue to highlight the innovative spirit of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. Until then.